You're watching How Leap. Let's fix not receiving a WhatsApp SMS verification code. First, ensure your phone has a strong cellular signal. Try toggling airplane mode on and off in your device settings. Next, double check that you entered the correct phone number, including the country code. If you made a mistake, close the app and restart the process. Then request the code via a phone call instead. On the verification screen, tap Call Me to receive an automated voice call with the code. Also, check if your number is blocked by your carrier for SMS services or if you have any active call blocking apps. Finally, clear the WhatsApp app cache on Android. Go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, and tap Clear Cache on iPhone. Delete and reinstall WhatsApp. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.